Hey everyone, Sandeep here from 99signals.com, and in this video, I'm going to give you an inside look at SiteGuru, one of the most underrated SEO audit tools on the market right now. I've tested dozens of SEO tools over the years, and most of them either overcomplicate things or drown you in vanity metrics. SiteGuru does the opposite. It gives you a clean, actionable SEO report with stuff that actually matters. And the best part, right now there's an insane lifetime deal on AppSumo for SiteGuru, meaning you can get lifetime access to SiteGuru for just $79. So if you're tired of bloated SEO platforms and want something that's clean, fast and actionable, stick around. I'll walk you through how SiteGuru works, what makes it unique, and why this AppSumo deal might be one of the smartest investments you make this year. Before we dive into the SiteGuru tutorial, let's take a quick look at all the plans AppSumo is offering on SiteGuru. So the basic plan AppSumo is offering on SiteGuru goes for $79. This is what's included in that plan. You can add only one website and you can audit up to 500 pages and you get access to all of these features. The best part about all of these plans is that it's not restrictive in terms of features. You get features like indexability check, you can do a full technical SEO audit, content audit, page speed analysis. All of these features are included, including customizable reports. So none of these features are restrictive in any of the plans. You get access to all of these features. The only restrictions come in terms of the number of websites you can add and the number of pages that you can audit. So if you have just one website and if you have less than 500 pages, then I think the basic plan should suffice. But if you're an agency or if you manage multiple websites and there are many pages that you need to audit, then you need to stack up your codes. You can go with 2 codes or 3 codes depending on your requirement. Now, all the plans that you see here are custom plans specifically meant for AppSumo customers. If you go to their pricing page, they have a totally different pricing plan. The basic plan allows you to add 5 websites and you can audit up to 5,000 pages per site, but you would have to pay a monthly recurring fee. So you would have to pay $49 every month, but with AppSumo, you can just get lifetime access to SiteGuru for $79. Now that you know what's included in the SiteGuru AppSumo plan, let's jump into a quick tutorial where I'll show you how SiteGuru works. Right, I've just logged into my SiteGuru account, and the first thing you should do when you log in is add your website to SiteGuru. Once you've added your website, I would recommend you connect your Google Search Console and Google Analytics to SiteGuru. This is when you can really unlock crucial SEO insights on your website. If you don't do this, then SiteGuru just becomes a generic SEO tool. So you would want to connect Google Search Console and Google Analytics as soon as you add your website. And once your website has been added and once you've connected GSE and Google Analytics, you can run a new site audit. Once the audit is complete, you will get an overview of your website right here on the dashboard. You'll see the web analytics and site health. You'll see the focus keywords, you'll see the top keywords, you'll see the top pages. You can expand all of these reports by clicking on the link at the bottom of these widgets. And then you'll see a technical to-do list, a content to-do list. And you'll also see the latest changes. You'll see which rankings have improved. And beneath all that, you'll see the site structure of your website. Now, like I said, all of these widgets are expandable. When you go to technical to-do list, you'll see the indexability of your site. So if you click here, it'll open up the indexing report and you can see which pages are indexed and which pages are not. Similarly, if you go back and if you click on the improve page speed, you'll see the entire page speed report and you'll see the page speed of all of your pages and where there is scope for improvement. Now, when it comes to focus keywords, SiteGuru will automatically add a few keywords for you directly from Google Search Console, but you also have the option to add your own focus keywords. So based on what it has found on Google Search Console, it will suggest a few more keywords, but you also have the option to add your own keywords to the list here and it will start tracking those keywords for you. One small thing before we move on, the data that you see here on the dashboard, it's for the last 30 days compared with the previous 30 days, but you also have the option to change the date range here. You can change it to 7 days if you would like, change it to 90 days, 6 months, last month, or you can even set a custom date here. Now, the real value of this tool comes when you go to the insight section. Apart from tracking all the keywords, you also have something called low-hanging fruit. Now, these are the pages that have the potential to rank at number 1, but they're not doing so right now because it may be lacking content depth or maybe you've not optimized the keywords. So it'll show you all these pages and the keywords that the particular page is ranking for, and it'll provide you with a quick checklist. So if we pick one of the articles here, it'll open up a checklist and it'll show you where the target keywords have been inserted. In this case, the target keyword phrase is present in the title, the headings, the links, but the meta description could be improved a bit, and in this example, by doing so, I may be able to improve its CTR. So by going to the low hanging fruit report, you can quickly find out which of your pages have the potential to rank at number one, but currently are not doing so because maybe they've not been updated for a while, and maybe you've not covered the latest trends when it comes to the topic. So this will give you a quick overview of what you need to do in order to rank these pages at number one. Similarly, you can go to new keywords to find out which are the new keywords your site is ranking for and at what position they're ranking at. And you can also see the click data and the impression data for all of these keywords. Another useful report that I found in the Insight section was the CTR report or the click-through report. This will show you the average CTR of all your pages, and not just that, you'll see the actual clicks and the missed clicks as well. So in some cases, you may find that the page is ranking well, but the CTR is not that great. For example, if you look at this particular page, which covers all the latest AppSumo deals, and it's also ranking for the keyword phrase AppSumo deals, it's ranking at number 2, but the average CTR is only 3.4%. It's gathering a decent amount of impressions, but the actual clicks are just 8 and the missed clicks are 126. So this is something that I found only through SiteGuru. Maybe I had not done my homework on Google Search Console, but it's pretty great that SiteGuru was able to find this, and it'll find this information for all the pages that have dropped in CTR. So you'll see the average CTR for all of your pages, and you can sort it by average CTR or you can sort it by missed clicks to see which of your pages are underperforming. And these are the pages that would require your attention. Maybe you can go back and update the content, insert a few more relevant keyword phrases, and basically make the content more in-depth or more in line with the changing user behavior. Once again, the report that you see here is the last 30 days compared with the previous 30 days. You can compare your last 7 days with the previous 7 days just to see if the changes that you have made to any of this content is reflecting in terms of improvement in CTR. Another useful report that I found was the Google Update report. I don't think any other tool has this particular feature. What it does is it shows the effect of each Google algorithm update on your website. And as you know, Google has introduced a lot of algorithm changes over the years, and the last couple of years have been pretty difficult for content creators and SEOs like us because of the implementation of AI. There's been a lot of changes across industries. CTRs have declined because Google tends to provide everything in the AI overview itself, so users don't see the need to click on a particular search result. So that's why you have the rise of zero-click searches these days. So what you can do with this particular report is you can click on a specific Google update and see the effect of that update on your site. So the latest update is the June core update. And when you click on this particular button, it'll just take a few seconds. It'll analyze what the latest update has done to your particular website, and it'll show the effect. So the overview here is that the site got fewer clicks from Google compared to before the update. And when you scroll down, you can get an impact overview. You can see the visibility graph after the June core update, and you'll also see losing keywords, you'll see declining content, and you'll also see winning content. There'll be some pages that will do better after the previous update. So you'll see all of this data here, and this is such an important set of data for us because after each update, you would probably want to know how your site has been affected. And last few years, each update has major ramifications on your website. And if you manage an SEO agency, that's the number one question that your clients probably ask after each update. So you have the answer right here. There's a disclaimer at the end which says that the update only ended 5 days ago, so the effects may still be unfolding, but you get a fair idea as to how your site is performing after the previous update. And the best part about this tool is you can also see the impact of the previous Google updates on your site. So you can go through all of these updates and see the impact that each Google algorithm update has had on your site. So this is a very useful report, especially for SEOs, where you can find exactly what has happened with your content, how they're ranking after the latest Google algorithm update, and what changes you can do to prevent your rankings from falling further. And also maybe in some cases, in some exceptional cases, the site ended up performing much better after the latest update. So if that's the case, then you'll see a lot of winning content here. But either ways, it's a really good feature to have. Moving on, you also get a very detailed technical site audit report. Starting from indexing, you can see the canonical URLs, you can see the page speed of each page, you'll see the core web vitals of each page, and you'll also see the page speed score. You can sort this out to see which of your pages have scored low in terms of page speed, and you can go about improving them. And finally, you'll find the internal linking report as well. You'll see how many of your pages have internal links, and you can also find orphan pages. These are the pages that don't have any internal links, and that's commonly an SEO bad practice. So if you find pages like these and they're very important pages for you, then you would have to add internal links to these pages. So this is just a quick snapshot of what SiteGuru can do for you. I like the minimalistic, no-nonsense interface that SiteGuru has. What I like about these reports is that it's clutter-free, and it doesn't really overwhelm you with a lot of information that you don't need when you are going about improving your rankings or your technical SEO. It just cuts down to the chase and provides you with all the actionable insights, and you can just focus on improving your pages. Now, if you're running a digital marketing agency, then you'll also find the report builder feature to be quite useful. What you can do is you can just click on new report, and you can download all of these reports here. You can download the SEO performance report, you can download the website audit report, and you also have the CSV option available. So if you've added any of your clients' websites to SiteGuru, then these reports will be really useful, and you can share it with your client on a weekly or a monthly basis, whatever your agreement is with your client. So that was just a quick snapshot of SiteGuru. Like I said, you can get lifetime access to it for just $79 at AppSumo. So if you found this tutorial to be useful, and if you see real value in this tool, then go ahead and grab that lifetime access to SiteGuru. You can find a link in the description of this video, and depending on your requirement, you can stack up as many codes as you want. So be sure to check out the SiteGuru Lifetime Deal at AppSumo by clicking on the link in the description. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you have any questions about SiteGuru, you can just drop the questions in the comment section, and I'll try my best to answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back very soon with a new video.